Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. So for a couple of the things that I've learned, the first one is when you're planing your boards, you can get a really good, nice, consistent edge on all of them or consistent width by clamping them together. Now I don't like sending my hardware through the planer because there is a higher risk of it catching on something, and if you get metal into your planer blades, it's just going to be a disaster. I was checking all over online to see if it was possible, but in the DeWalt manual for the 735, they say it is safer to try and clamp your workpieces than it is to try and use your hands. So if I can, I use tape. That works really well when you've got two pieces going through, like you saw on the end with those little short ones. But if you've got more than that, try to use a very, very short clamp and make sure that you've got no way that that's going to touch your blades. The second thing that I learned is that even if you've got your clamps on the end like this, on both sides, you can see on the first one that it didn't quite line up in the middle, so I added a second set of clamps, or I guess a third set of clamps right here in the middle to keep it level. And already just looking at the seams, it looks like it's a lot tighter than it was previously. On that other one, I'm probably just going to have to sand it out. But yeah, so this third set of clamps right in the middle, or if you've got a longer piece, you may even add a fourth set of clamps so that you can keep it all nice and lined up in the middle. These have been absolutely remarkable. And the other thing that I learned from this one is cover these guys with tape. Literally, they release like a breeze when I have the packing tape over the top of them, so I highly recommend you make yourself a small set of these because they're just awesome. Well, that's it for today, you guys. The only two components that we have left are to do the cross members and the legs, and both of those are mirrored, so it's really kind of four components that need to go. They've got similar features, but they're mirrored across each other. But I'm going to start working on some of those today and see if we can't get the videos posted soon. If you have any questions about laminating the shelves, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. And if you like the kind of stuff that we're doing on this channel, I would love it if you could subscribe to it. I'm seeing the channel grow more and more, and it's just super, super exciting. All right, thank you guys again. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.